Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice oral expression, and today we will practice what we learned before, numbers 10 to 20, and the grammar do and does as auxiliary verbs through 3 exercises.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to speak and practice slowly.
First, shadowing helps you listen and repeat with a clear rhythm. Second, read aloud helps you read a short text with good voice and confidence. Third, describe the picture helps you say simple sentences about what you see.
That sounds good, Emma, and the steps are clear.
Perfect. Let's start with shadowing. Listen and repeat after me. Shadowing. In shadowing, you will listen and repeat each short phrase right after you hear it.
Okay, I will listen first and then repeat.
Listen and repeat. Do you have 10 pencils? Yes, I do. Does she have 11 books? Yes, she does. I don't have 12 cards. He doesn't have 13 apples. We have 14 minutes. They do not play now. Does it work? No, it doesn't. Do they like the game? She has 15 pens. He has 16 stickers. I see 17 stars. We count 18 chairs. There are 19 bags. "20 students are here." Read aloud. Great work with shadowing. Now in read aloud, Nexa will read the text first, and then you should pause the video and read aloud calmly.
I am ready to read it first. Every morning, I count my pencils before class. I have 12 pencils in my blue bag. My sister does not use my pencils, but she does use my red pen. She asks if I need it today. I say no, I don't. Then we walk to school at 8, happy and ready to learn.
Nice reading, Mexo. You did it well.
Thank you, Emma. The text was short and clear.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Well done, everyone. Now, in Describe the Picture, try to describe what you see and use the vocabulary and grammar we studied.
I can try first with simple sentences.
Yes, Nexo, you try first, and after that, it will be the viewer's turn.
In the picture, there are 12 children in a bright classroom. They sit near a long table with 10 red apples, 11 blue pencils, and 14 small cards. A girl is smiling, but she does not write now. The children do not look tired. A small clock shows 15 minutes before lunch. Near the window, there are 16 books and 20 paper stars on the wall.
Now it is your turn, so pause the video and describe the image in your own way.
I think short sentences make it easier.
Exactly. Do not make it complicated. Use short and simple sentences. For example, 12. I see 12 children. 10. There are 10 apples. Now it is your turn again. Pause the video and speak. Little by little, you will do better.